The 2025 BMW M135 xDrive represents the pinnacle of BMW's 1 Series lineup, blending dynamic performance with modern design and advanced technology. As the fourth generation of the 1 Series, this model continues BMW's tradition of delivering sheer driving pleasure, performance and powertrain. At the heart of the M135 xDrive lies a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing an impressive 300 horsepower and 400 newton-meters of torque. This power enables the M135 xDrive to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.9 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 250 km per hour. The engine is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, ensuring swift and smooth gear changes. The xDrive all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and stability, making it adept at handling various driving conditions. Design and exterior. The M135 xDrive showcases a modern and athletic design. The front fascia features large air intakes, contributing to both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Pronounced side skirts and a three-dimensional diffuser at the rear enhance its sporty appeal. The vehicle's dimensions have grown slightly compared to its predecessor, measuring 4,361 mm in length and 1,800 mm in width, providing a more commanding presence on the road. Interior and technology. Inside, the M135 xDrive offers a driver-focused cockpit equipped with the latest technology. The BMW curved display integrates a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.7-inch touchscreen infotainment system powered by BMW Operating System 9. This setup provides intuitive access to vehicle settings, navigation, and entertainment options. The interior materials are of high quality, with options for Veganza seats that offer both comfort and sustainability. Driving dynamics. BMW has engineered the M135 xDrive to deliver an engaging driving experience. The adaptive M chassis, sport steering, and optional M compound brake system ensure precise handling and control. The vehicle's all-wheel drive system enhances cornering capabilities and provides confidence-inspiring traction. The M135 xDrive strikes a balance between everyday usability and spirited driving dynamics, making it suitable for both city commuting and weekend getaways. Market position and availability. The M135 xDrive is positioned as a premium hot hatch, appealing to drivers seeking performance without compromising practicality. In markets like the UK, the 1 Series lineup starts at approximately £31,000 for the 120 Sport model, with the M135 xDrive sitting at the higher end of the spectrum due to its enhanced performance and features. The vehicle is available exclusively as a 5-door hatchback with an automatic transmission, reflecting BMW's focus on modern driving preferences. In summary, the 2025 BMW M135 xDrive embodies the brand's commitment to performance, innovation, and design. It offers a compelling option for those seeking a versatile vehicle that delivers both excitement and everyday practicality.